What are the index levels that you need to be watching out for? Because today it's going to be the Nifty 50 weekly expiry, as well as today and tomorrow we're going to be reacting to the Fed's minutes as well. So let's have the take of our technical charters then. And with this, let me welcome on board Ruchit Jain of 5paisa.com. Hi Ruchit, a very good afternoon and thank you so much for your time. What's your first take on the index level? There was an underperformance for Nifty 50 today, but Bank Nifty was seen to be holding strong. Was it because of the expiry action and you believe that there could be further selling, or you believe that markets should find some ground at this point in time?
Yes, hi, very good afternoon. In last two trading sessions, we have been witnessing some cool off from the highs in the indices, but the broader markets is not that bad. We can see the stock specific momentum, a lot of stock specific momentum on the positive side. The market breadth is also more in favor of advances. So this clearly indicates that this could be just one of a correction within an uptrend as of now. If you look at the data, FIs have started this series on a positive note with 68%, around 68% of their positions still on the long side. Now, the only thing of worry is if you look at the historical data, then whenever this ratio approaches 70 to 75%, that's where, what is seen as a resistance. The markets usually tend to witness some correction or a pullback move when FI's long short ratio reaches 70 to 75% range. So considering that resistance over there, so I think room for fresh long formations in January series seem to be very less by FIIs at current levels. So that's what I think is one of the concern. And also since the momentum readings are a bit overbought, we might see some time-wise correction or some minor pullbacks in the near term. Now, support for Nifty is around 21,300 to 21,250 range. I think if one is looking for any kind of trading opportunities in the index, let there some more correction towards the 21,300 mark, then one should look for any kind of contra trades. But as of now, I think it's better to focus on more a stock specific opportunity or a sector specific moves which are outperforming in this time wise corrective phase. I think no short term traders should have more focus on stocks rather than the index.
All right, Ruchit, this is Lisa joining in. So you said we have to focus more on stock-specific action. And we are seeing twin moves in the market. One is that people are buying on dips, and also there is profit booking also at the same time. So would you also suggest buying on dips, and which are those stocks that are potential gainers which you would suggest to our viewers?
Yeah, good afternoon, Lisa. So I think one has to keep one strategy that those stocks which are not falling, no, one should only look for buying opportunities over there. For example, if you look at the IT space, if that is underperforming, some of the private sector bank, if those are correcting, then I think one should avoid any kind of bottom fishing over there if you are looking from a trading perspective. So I have a couple of recommendations where outperformance is there within the falling market. First would be a buy call in Sriram Finance. We can clearly see that in spite of falling markets, the stock has managed to show some up move today, which was supported by good volume. So I think this is one stock where which could continue to move higher. One can go long with stock below 2,000, expecting near-term target somewhere around 2,200. And ITC would be other pick where we would be advising to go long on. So a price-wise correction as well as time-wise correction has been done in the stock. Generally, when the markets turn a bit volatile or show some corrective phase, people usually tend to focus more on such defensive names or some low beta names. So ITC could be one of those which could show some outperformance. Short-term traders can look for buying opportunity here as well with stop below 468, but target somewhere around 500.
All right. Thank you so much, Ruchit, for that, for sharing your picks on the stock-specific ideas as well as your view on the benchmark indices.